Look, Kali Yuga is not yet to be finished. There's still some millions of years for it to finish. So I don't think it's a question that has a concern anyone, because you will not see Satyuga. But we have to understand what is Satyuga. We have to understand what is Kali Yuga and what is Dwarpa, what is Treta. These yugas are not rotating. Now you can say, yes, we're in Kali Yuga, that's why all these things are happening. That is not true. Those mind which is centered in God, they are in Satyuga, because God is alive for them. They see God, they perceive the divine. If you ask that for a saint, the saint says, yes, I meet him every day, I talk with him every day. And this is the effect of Satyug, where you can perceive the divine at all time. You feel his love at all time. No? Then you have the effect of Gaur Kalyug, within deep Kalyuga, which is the crazy mind, the suicide bombers and so on, so on. And then you have Treta and Dwarpa at the same time. You see? And then let's take, for example, in Dwarpa Yuga, the time of Krishna. When they were pulling Draupadi by her hair, dragging her to the court, what kind of act was that? Was it not the act of Kali Yuga? So Kali Yuga was also there. So you see, all the yugas rotate at the same time. And now, right now, the yugas, what is going on, is a dual, there's different yugas together. For the devotees, like I said, those who just surrender to God, it is Satyug, because they meet him every day, they see him, they feel him, they realize him. For those which is searching still, they will find it in Dwarpa Yuga or Treta Yuga. But you will find it here itself. It's all in your level of consciousness. So you see, the yugas are all together. And then the most important thing that you understand is in the scriptural wise, in the external reality, it is Kali Yuga. But in the internal reality, it is Dwarpa. That's why Babaji have said, at this time, in this age, bhakti is very important. That's why Krishna have emphasized before, in the last chapter, said, only bhakti, there's nothing else. Without bhakti, bhakti yoga is the most important one. But bhakti yoga is not that simple. Like I said, you can say, yes, you surrender the mind, doesn't mean that it is surrendering. So bhakti, true bhakti is when that mind have surrender into the Lord. It's not the yoga, asana, all these things. These are all maya. There's only two realms, the divine realm and the realm of maya.